Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur a moving object on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application and I'm going to blur this girl's hair. First, we're going to add blur sticker to our video. Go to the sticker and you're going to search for the blur censor. I'm going to use this one and then I'm going to make it align with my video. And basically guys, there are two methods that you can try to blur a moving object on your video. The first one, you can use the motion tracking feature. You're going to click your sticker and go to the tracking right here, and then you can choose the motion tracking and you can place this this feature, the tracking and here you can choose the direction, both forward or backward. I'm going to choose both, and then you're going to start the tracking. Okay, and sometimes it's not accurate. If this doesn't work, you can use the second method, which is the keyframe method. Okay, and I've already completed the tracking process. I'm gonna play it. Okay, it's not bad. You can use this feature guys if you want. And now let's move to the second method. For the second method, we're going to use the keyframe feature. Let me add the sticker first. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the keyframe. You can select the sticker, go to the sticker menu. Oops, wait, let me adjust the size. Alright, and then you're going to add keyframe for the position. Okay, for the start position, add the keyframe. And then you're going to move the cursor and adjust the position. It's more accurate than the motion tracking feature, guys, but it takes a longer time than the tracking feature. Just like this. The keyframe will be automatically added once you change the position. Yeah, you can also adjust the size and the keyframe will automatically adjust it. Okay, you need to do it one by one to get more accurate result. Okay, done, and I'm going to play it. Okay guys, and that's how you can blur a moving object using CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!